Come test drive the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, tow hitch, lane departure warning, DVD system, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.